So the status LED on an SDU2 is right after it's powered on is going to flash like this, and this is telling us that the SDU has not yet achieved to communicate with any target server. Again, the target server is always the target closest to the power supply in the target line. It will take a few minutes. We might see some flashing and activity on the communication line going down to the targets. And that's basically trying to understand what kind of equipment is at the other end, and yeah, to map up the system. This is done at every startup. So now the check has gone through. The SDU has actually been able to communicate with the target server in the other end, and therefore the flashing light is now off. So we are basically starting to get ready to receive data from the targets, or yeah, basically start shooting. We can see how the communication is going on the right LED. If I press now on the monitor, a new series, and okay, we can see some flashing. This is communication initiated from the SDU to the target server. The same thing will happen if I tap a sensor in the target. You can see a flash the same way. The LED is flashing the same way if the communication is coming to or leaving the SDU. Doesn't matter the direction. You will see it on the LED. The same thing if we disconnect the line anywhere, basically breaking the current loop, disconnecting it, we will see that the LED is constantly on, because the current loop is not complete and the current cannot run, and the system is not able to work. Connecting it again, we are back to normal situation. We can also mention that in the target, at the target server, we have inside the target we have 3 LEDs. The left one here is a mirror image of the signal LED on the SDU. So if we generate a shot in the target here now, we see a flash, and the same flash is going to be at the exact same time going to be visible on the signal LED on the SDU. So if you're in the target line, you can actually check the communication going on also there. Yeah, that's a working system. Next we will take a look at how to respond to a system if there is any kind of issues or problems.